Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Najran, a land where history whispers through ancient walls and where the stories of faith and courage still echo beneath the desert skies. Here stands Al-Burj Al-Mail, the leaning tower of Najran, a silent guardian watching over centuries of stories. Its tilted frame has faced time, sand, and wind, yet it remains. But deep in Najran lies a place mentioned in the noble and the holy Quran, Al-Ukhdud, a site of great tragedy and unwavering faith. First were the people of the ditch, fire supplied with fuel when they sat by it. Surah Al-Buruj, Ayah 4, 5, and 6. These verses tell the story of believers persecuted for their faith, thrown into burning trenches, yet they stood firm in their belief in Allah. Today, at the Al-Ukhdud site, the charred remains and inscriptions still remind us of their courage and sacrifice. Surrounding the site, the old village of Al-Ukhdud and its ancient trees paint a picture of resilience, life continuing amidst ruins of the past. Not far away lies the Saadane Palace, a glimpse into Najran's noble heritage and architectural beauty. Najran is not just a place of history, it's a journey of faith, culture, and endurance. From its mountains and valleys to its ruins and palaces. Every stone tells a story, and every story brings us closer to understanding the beauty of belief. This is Najran, a land of faith. Located in the south of Saudi Arabia, Najran is one of the oldest inhabited regions in the Arabian Peninsula, a crossroads of civilizations, culture, and belief. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your notifications and please leave a comment in the comment section. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.